Actually, when this kind of problem happens, it will be convinced.
Why do you like to put actually?
Wait.
Who is it that actually?
I'm convinced, really. When I saw his condition, I was convinced. So, where...
Is it the conviction is actually? Are you a graduate?
I'm a graduate.
I'm
a graduate.
You're a graduate. I foresee why you are doing this guy. Actually. You have said this before, I just keep quiet. And you want to talk again. Actually. The actually means what? That is like actually, Baba. Or is it not that?
No.
What is the meaning of actually?
Actually, I will call it a word.
A word
that we use to qualify. To qualify.
What do you learn in the school? What do you go in school?
I study mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering.
So, okay, you know now. Which mechanic are you?
No. I'm a businessman. That's where the world turns.
Which
you
one?
Look for job, you won't see job.
You do mechanic, now you are doing business.
Yes, I'm in business.
So what are you be doing that business? You are
actually, sorry, that's the word. Okay.
No.
Okay.
You are just there, your education has entered you. What actually? I don't know. This all these graduate people, they carry themselves, they do too. Anywhere they went, you must notice that. Yes. Actually, much. Man, actually, a career. So now, let's talk. So what are you doing now? A business. Which business?
Well, it's food. Food. Restaurant.
Hey. Kedefigo. Engineering. Mechanic engineer. And mechanic engineer.
I worked in a hero company. I was a hero company.
Yes.
On here.
Yes.
I was a senior staff. And also a line manager. But the company, I'm not to the standard of my qualification. In terms of wages, I'm not seeing it. I have to leave the company.
Jesus. Ndi healer.
Yes.
Ndi healer sanan carbon kai. Elueba fada akunitego go with your certificate. With your engineer, mechanical engineering certificate. Fana akugo peanut.
Yes, I have to leave the company.
Onye healer. Kwanyelo ngwe. In any company like that, and your own certificate, a winitaka. Because Sonya were romaze. Oh, yeah, Bonoctastic and national education is a scam. Onye Gochala Kodo to Amegone, Apple, where's Royato? How many years can you go to school?
Regular. No, it's not 5 years.
Oh, if for you, I don't know why this education is like making you to look so, or say not like 5 years you spend in school. Wasted 5 years in school. End up as a mechanical engineering restaurant man. All on Nikki Nesi.
And I'm into transport. And also that business.
Yes. You are a cooker and Taizí people. Oh, yeah, but Taizí, no, yeah. Hey, now, but your transport, no, again. It's a Taizí, a whole mechanical engineer. That is my anger with all this government. All these government people who need the report on social media because the government is a disappointment and a failure. Some of them are putting on social media. When there is nothing working in the government, look at a mechanical engineer and you come out with your certificate.
Sure.
Second class.
Sure.
And no job. End up as only food seller and also a driver, Taizí man. I am not happy. Such person is intelligent.
Yes, sir.
Are you happy?
I cannot be happy. I am not happy.
You cannot be happy.
I cannot be happy.
Oh my God. Do you see he's angry? In Onucheba, I'm a senator. I'm a senior president. And you go Mike, Dareba, a colleague na Wakamoto. Look at the subject. The sons of the Nigeria, the son of the soil. Look at after their education. Look at the wasting time of them in the school for 5 years. Nigeria, it is time for every of us. All these people now create something and content. This is time to talk about the government of Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
Stop wanting to posting nonsense. Silent of everyone in Nigeria chose yes that things are going well. And it will not make anybody in the seat of the government, but the president, to know that his own tenure is not doing anything. And all of us must to open up. Things are very bad. Things are difficult. People are suffering the more. The poor are crying. And the riches are getting more richer. I will see you later. Your case touched me. They are picking our educated doctors. Because the country can never make use of what they have. What of Emma Agbare is our own son.
Yes, sir.
But today, it is in overseas. Controlling their internet system.
Yes. To her problems.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm trying to catch up. You know, that's it.
I'm so sorry. I don't know what to do right now.
Okay, because I think there is and you know, you understand me, so I'm connected now. Okay, Folono. Infinity if I'm not connected now, connect ya. Only your FIFA on Friday. All of you in the new Igbo. In the new Igbo, you got no what. Okay, because once I come on Friday, I will tell you all, and the Bible God, you do me. And you don't understand me until you got scared all the time. And you do listen to me, Jesus got to do to come down. And the Bible say, God, you do that at me here. On your bona, everyone was sitting there, no life and I lock come gate here. In our quiet here, and I call Yiba. On China prison. Because we are entering to America. Okay, Fundi Boyabo.